Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the installed pieces part that'll restore a sealed vacuum to the PCV valve. That fitting, I cut it down. It was 1.5 inches or 2 inches, and I cut down the last inch and the last ½ inch. And the thing that was aggravating was these threads, even though they're rolled. And ignore my thumb. There's a burr on the end of that. When they cut it off, it leaves a burr, and I had to file that all down on the new part to get it smooth. And of course, I used Teflon tape to make sure it seals up. It was a tight fit. There's no question about it. But I'm sure it's never going to leak again. And this is what came out. And so I don't think I'm going to have any more problems out of this. This is Kazoo Cruiser, and I'll post another video when I've got other efforts to do. Thank you. Bye.